Okay, down in the pool house, we're going to take inventory on all our piping down here. So my pressure gauge is in this elbow at the same elevation as this valve, and it's after the valve. So let's neglect this valve. Let's assume that our pressure is after this valve. And so what we're going to do is our first element in our piping system will just be this straight section of pipe right here. And so that straight section of pipe between my pump outlet diverter valve and the diverter valve for my filter is about 41 inches. My next element is the actual diverter. So if you recall from a previous video or a subsequent video, I don't know anything about this. So we're going to try to calculate the pressure drop across this and then determine an equivalent L over D for that. So I come out of that. My next element is, I have a union here. I'm just going to treat that as some straight pipe. Again, this is 2-inch. I have 7 inches. I have a 2-inch 90 sweep elbow. I have 23 inches of straight pipe. I have another 90 sweep. And then I'm going to have a vertical section of pipe that is, let's call it 9 inches up to my 3-port valve. Now we're going to treat this like a T with branch flow because we don't have any other better information. So this valve is a T, all right, 2-inch. I come out of there, I have some straight section of pipe, 11 inches. I have another 90L. I come up into my swing check valve, a 2-inch swing check valve. There is some data for swing check valve. I don't know how valid it is for this particular one, but it's the best information we have, so let's go with it. So treat this as a swing check, 2-inch. I go straight into a 2-inch T. I have branch flow to the left. After that, I have my chlorinator. I'm going to treat this as a length of straight pipe because I don't know anything better about it. I have 23 inches of straight pipe to my next 3-port valve. I'm going to treat that again as a T with branch flow. And then I'm through my other valve, and that valve right there is the one that leads to the fountain. And we're going to be calculating the pressure drop across that valve. Everything else is underground. I'm going to find some images from when my pool was built, and we'll get you an inventory of those as well. So your total inventory is going to be built from a video of everything down below. That's this video. I have a separate video of all the elements that are above ground on the top side of the pool, and then we'll get you some information on everything that is underground that can't be seen. Hope that takes care of everything.